So if it's on a graph, we're able to count, we can count the rise and the run. If it's not on a graph, we're going to have to find the coordinates by plugging numbers in. So this is not written in a brackets. If this was in brackets, it would say -6, 2. All right, so you don't know what those points are. All right, so -6, I'm going to write it right on the graph here, is, so that's right there. -6, -1, and then 2 is right there, 2, 5. So those are my points. All right, if it's on a graph, I like to just count and draw my arrows in here. So it's going up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to the right. Okay, rise over run. So that slope is going to be 6 over 8. Up is positive, right's positive. Over here, we're going to have to plug these in. All right, so g of 6 equals 6 squared minus 4 times 6 minus 5. I'm going to put that right in the calculator. 6 squared minus 4 times 6. So it's 6, 7. So 6, 7. Oh, sorry, that's not right. -6. So make sure you put it in parentheses here. Let's try that again. -6 squared minus 4 times -6 minus 4 times 55. And then 2 squared minus 4 times 2 minus 5. That's going to be -9, I think. 2 squared minus 4 times 2 minus 5. -9. So then we have 2, -9. All right, so now we're doing rise over run. And remember, rise up and down is the y values. Doesn't matter what order you subtract them in. 55 minus -9 over -6 minus 2. So I would personally just put that right in the calculator as a fraction. So alpha y equals, to get a fraction, 55 minus -9 over -6 minus 2 is -8. So equals -8, which is -8 over 1 if you want to keep it as a fraction. So there's my two slopes. It didn't ask which one's larger, all right, but if it did ask which one's steeper, I guess more steep, it would be 8 over 1, because 8 over 1 is 8. 6 over 8 is going to be 0.75. The other thing that you will see, and I'm going to talk about this right here, is this one's increasing because it has a positive slope. This one is decreasing because it has a negative slope. So occasionally that might get tossed into one of these things, or if you have to explain the slope, you might want to use increasing or decreasing to explain it.